I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. Let's take a look at where markets closed to end the week. Markets were mixed for the week. The Russell was the week's biggest winner, rising 1.7%. The Dow added about 0.75%. The S&P 500 lost 2%, while the Nasdaq ended in the red for the second week in a row, falling about 4%. Turning to the leading and lagging sectors, energy shares saw a 2% gain, followed by real estate with 1.3%, and financials rose 1.2%. Technology was the biggest laggard, losing 5.1%. That was followed by communications with a nearly 3% drop, and consumer discretionary also fell. Let's look at some of the developments in the market this week, starting with Friday's CrowdStrike massive outage. Shares plummeted when a software update took down major systems across the globe, impacting clients like Microsoft and more. The issue grounded flights, halted bank transactions, and caused widespread problems across businesses. CrowdStrike CEO said it was not a security incident or cyber attack and that a fix was issued. Shares of CrowdStrike sank 18% on the week. Meantime, TSMC fell this week after former President Donald Trump told Bloomberg Taiwan should pay the United States for defense. TSM lost 11.5% for the week. The ripple effect was felt by other chip stocks like Nvidia and AMD and ASML, all of which lost ground on Friday and are down double digits or just shy of it by the end of the week. Netflix finished Friday slightly lower after its earnings report. The company added more than 8 million global subscribers, but warned of a slowdown in the third quarter. Netflix also announced it will start to remove its $11.99 a month ad-free subscriptions in the United States and France. Despite the quarterly growth, Netflix ended Friday 1.5% lower. Looking ahead to next week, it's a big slate of earnings. We'll get reports from Tesla, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, Verizon, Spotify, Ford, Chipotle, and many more. As for economic data, we'll get existing home sales, PMI composite flash, new home sales, durable goods, GDP, and closing out the week, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, PCE, along with personal income and spending data. That'll do it for the wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.